Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where every structure tells a story. Today we embark on a journey to explore a one-of-a-kind dwelling nestled in the heart of Fredericksburg. Introducing Rome, a container house that defies convention and invites you to embrace the spirit of wanderlust. Situated amidst the idyllic beauty of Fredericksburg, this home serves as a testament to creativity and innovation. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a space that transcends boundaries, where industrial elements meet cozy comforts. Every corner of Rome exudes warmth and character, beckoning you to explore and make memories. But the true essence of Rome lies not just within its walls, but in the boundless freedom it represents. Whether you're seeking solitude in nature or embarking on new adventures, this container house is your gateway to endless possibilities. Join us as we uncover the beauty of Rome, a sanctuary for the wandering soul. Subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more inspirations in architectural innovation and the art of living. Let your imagination roam free with Alvinsa Studio. Scene script: Rome is a beautiful home constructed of 2 repurposed shipping containers complete with nearly 1,000 square feet of deck area, great views, micro cows, and rooftop hot tub. This is the perfect place for your vacation. Located right on the 290 Wine Trail and just outside of Fredericksburg City limits, a short drive to downtown. Spend an unforgettable holiday in the enchanting surroundings of the town of Fredericksburg. The perfect place if you like small-town charm and hospitality. Not your typical container home, an inviting and bright space constructed of 2 containers side by side with lots of large windows, creating a roomy space to relax, cook in the full-size kitchen and bar, lounge on the king-size bed and sofa, or dine in the cozy booth seating that doubles as a great workspace. Featuring full-size appliances including fridge, oven, dishwasher, and microwave. There is also a laundry utility room with full-size washer and dryer for your convenience. Complete with 2 full bathrooms, each with unique floor-to-ceiling tile showers with modern glass doors. The toilets in each bathroom also feature bidets for a luxury experience. Take a stroll through the large sliding glass door to the lower deck and enjoy the sunrise or sunset on our comfortable daybed while enjoying coffee or espresso courtesy of the available espresso machine. Retire to the rooftop deck after exploring the Fredericksburg area or our many wonderful wineries. Partially covered, the deck is complete with modern cable railing, conversation set and outdoor sofa and lounge, fire table for ambiance, dimmable string lights, rooftop hot tub, and of course great hill country views. There is also a repurposed vintage wheeled cart available for ice drinks or towels or any items you bring out. The exterior of the home is a beautiful sleek black with wood tone accents. There is also a large yard with native grass, lots of wildlife, and plenty of parking. There is a 40-amp universal EV charger available to those with electric vehicles. See if you can spot our micro cows, Clarabelle, a micro Belty, and Uno, a micro Heinz 57, roaming around the pasture around the container home. This is a perfect place for a romantic getaway for couples, families, or great for small groups of 3-4. A second bed is available that folds out from the sofa and easily inflates, creating a very comfortable queen-size bed. There's also a TV available that has a full swiveling mount to adjust to your desired viewing position. Rome is a one-of-a-kind experience, your perfect tranquil getaway or a weekend with friends. What are you waiting for? The perfect getaway awaits. If you're looking for an interesting and unique accommodation option, why not try spending a night in an actual shipping container, this shipping container home for just $319 a night. Please contact AIRBNB if you have any questions about our beautiful home. As the day draws to a close on our exploration of Rome, the container house in Fredericksburg, Texas, Alvinsa Studio invites you to continue the journey of discovery. From its innovative design to its seamless integration with nature, Rome embodies the essence of modern living amidst rustic beauty. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable adventure. Subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more inspirations in architectural marvels and the art of living. Until we meet again, may your dreams wander far and your heart always find its way home.